Tonight, a school board scare heads to a grand jury. In July, we told you about this Gloucester County school board meeting where 4 men were accused of bringing guns and knives into a school. Well, today, a judge decided there's enough probable cause to move this case forward. And Emily Harrison has followed the story since the start and heard directly from one defendant.
Exiting the courthouse today, Trevor Herron, one of the 4 defendants charged with bringing a gun onto school grounds, says he's disappointed to see the judge's decision, but says he is adamant that T.C. Walker Education Center should not be considered a school.
It is not a government facility any more than a Lockheed Martin office.
Trevor Herron, alongside Derek Koblenz, Christopher Cordasco, and Antonio Hernandez, all face felony charges of carrying a gun onto school property. This after deputies took the stand detailing the men's arrival to a Gloucester County school board meeting in July, where Herron allegedly threatened school board members.
And I would advise you to make things right while you have the opportunity to do so before things get worse.
As Herron walked away, deputies testified in court they saw guns and knives strapped to Herron's body. This led deputies to lock down the education center for more than 2 hours.
Knowing what I know now, I would have handled things differently. I think we followed the law, but following the law and the best course of action aren't necessarily the same thing.
Herron and his attorney say the education center should not be considered school property because school leaders decommissioned the building from its days as an elementary school. The Commonwealth's attorneys disagree, saying the building is still considered school property, and there are signs telling all visitors to come without weapons. A judge ruled the matter has enough probable cause to move to a grand jury. In Gloucester, I'm Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
As for next steps, a grand jury will meet in January to decide whether to indict the 4 men.